Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine. You are watching my YouTube channel Khana4gharana, a project by Foods and Drinks. And I'm your host Saima Shehbaz. Here I will try my best to present the best cake ideas, information and benefits of sweet nostalgia, a slice of vintage delight. Now we discuss about sweet nostalgia, a slice of vintage delight. Whether you are hosting an elegant party, birthday celebration, a special occasion, or simply including in a moment of self-care. Sweet nostalgia, a slice of vintage delight, is the epitome of refined decadence. It captures the essence of old world charm, evoking a sense of nostalgia and attachment that will leave you craving more. Immerse yourself in the enchanting aroma of freshly baked vanilla layers, delicately moist and tender. As you take your first bite, your taste buds are greeted by a luscious feeling that perfectly balances the sweetness of ripe berries or velvety custard, reminiscent of grandma's secret recipes. I hope you like my video and I hope you like my ideas of sweet nostalgia, a slice of vintage delight. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Take care and goodbye.